What's up, guys? Just finished week 28 of the trading challenge, trading from $100 to $1,000,000. We're currently sat at 68.8k. Last week we were at 63.9k, so we're up $5,000 this week, which isn't a lot considering how much we've lost over the past month. But yeah, overall, I took 0 trades, nothing happened, and everything's pretty much just dead still. So there's nothing to talk about on that. But we can just look at the charts for a bit, and that'll be it for the week. So yeah, PulseChain, it got wrecked. Obviously, it came down super hard. But this is kind of what I'm looking at as a whole. This got a Wyckoff accumulation. I made a tweet about it the other day, which I'll try and show you real quick. So see here, basically this chart and this chart look pretty fucking similar, right? So right now, ideally we're in a spring area and we have to bounce out of this area pretty hard. So far it hasn't, and this is just a potential of what could happen in a bullish case. But that's something that I'm looking at as a potential. So yeah, I mean, overall it looks pretty shit. It has just been in a downtrend. But if it does get a nice bounce out, then it could be a Wyckoff accumulation, which is bullish. But let's have a look at some of these on a lower time frame. To me, I mean, Ink is about to either break down or up. It's coming to a deciding point right now, and it looks like it's breaking down, but we'll see what happens there. Yeah, not ideal. The markets are so fucking shit. We had also on the main, like the bigger side of things, in the macro, Trump did basically just put tariffs on the whole fucking world. So everything took a hit on that. The stock market is getting absolutely wrecked. Like so bad. Probably gonna come down and retest this area, or maybe I'll hold around here, but not good on the stock market. The good thing, in my opinion, for the stock market is a few things. So it's dropping very quick, and when they drop quick, it's usually just a V bottom like this, like bang and then up. 2022, that wasn't a quick drop. That was a whole last bear market over a year, right? We don't want that, obviously, because then crypto's probably over for the foreseeable future. But if it is quick and it's just like bang 20% and then V recovery, that's good, right? That's like what you want. You want these quick flash crash. Well, not really flash crash, but you know what I mean. Like just quick down and back up. So we're on track for that. I mean, we've done this dip very quickly. Like that is a big crash on the market. That's only 3 months, and you're pretty much done. Most of these dips only take 3 months. So look, you have 1, 2, and then 3 red candles, big wick, and then that's where you start your run again. So maybe this month is red. Obviously it is red, but like comes down even all the way down to like 4,700 maybe, wicks up a bit, and then we start the run back up. That's like the bullish cope on the stock market. Obviously we want that to go up. We just want everything to go up. But the good thing for crypto is the stock market dipped 6% and crypto didn't even dip. Like it literally stayed the same. So that was really, you know, that's a good thing, but sometimes it could just be delayed and like Bitcoin can just dump in the next week or so. But overall, I mean, you have this trend line right here on Bitcoin, and we tapped it the other day, straight back down, and we're just kind of ranging in this area. And like eventually, somewhere around here, we're gonna break either up or down, or maybe even both, because markets are just annoying like that. Could just come down like that and then go up, whatever. But we're gonna break out of this little area soon, and we'll have a bigger move. But yeah, I mean, there's not a whole lot to talk about. Bitcoin is in that area. ETH is the same. Like we're right on this trend line right here. I'm pretty sure that's also a monthly super trend. Yeah, we don't want to see a monthly super trend turn red, because I mean, that just means there's a lot more pain to come usually. Obviously, like every time it turns red, you have a good, most of the time, probably like 10 months at least of red. And obviously we don't want that. So it needs to hold this area really, or at least close here this month, and then we can have potential upside. But yeah, I mean, I think these are god entries on in crypto right now. Like right on supports. I do think that we'll have an extended like the bull run will continue later on this year. Um, Obviously that's why I'm still holding some of my coins, and that's why this whole account is still in Ink and PulseChain. So yeah, I mean that's pretty much all I can really talk about. There's not a whole lot to say. PulseChain's down bad, Ethereum's down bad, everything is just down bad. But yeah, hopefully it gets better from there. And then that's pretty much everything. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, and join my Telegram as well. Cheers. It's alright.